So we've arrived. We need to take a tuk-tuk apparently to the viewpoint, so we're just waiting for one. And this is the area. It's took how long? 45 minutes? Took a while to get here, yeah, from where we was, Patong. So yeah, you can see a sign just through there that says viewpoint, so that's what we're heading for. Whether there's any planes due, I don't know at all, yeah. I presume it's just for taxis, just to make a bit of money of their own business, isn't it? To transport people. 100 baht. So some aeroplanes.
Oh yeah. There's an office tuk-tuk as well.
Yeah, yeah. Proper one.
Proper one.
Well, we didn't make it over for that one. I think it's a bit better when they're landing. I don't know if any land, I'm not sure, I think they do, this way. Bloody hell, that was loud. So it looks like they're quite regular taking off, so we should be lucky. You just see the runway to my left, there's some planes queuing up, so good. Hopefully we get one landing this way. I think they come and land this way. I'll just turn you around. There's the airport. That's where that one just took off from, if you've just seen the clip, but I don't know if any come. I think they do land. I've seen clips of them coming in, you can see them when they're in the distance. Pete, look how big the beach is. It's massive.
Yeah, no, it's huge. Go all the way from there.
Oh wow. It's a nice beach, isn't it? It's probably the quietest beach going, apart from the middle section.
Some people go in the sea as well, but most of this is was.
Yeah, this is a nice beach. This is probably one of my favourites.
Yeah.
There's one landing at the other side. You can just see the lights.
Oh yeah, I see it here.
That's coming in from. That's probably where we came in, that end.
Yeah, I think what I read on internet, that they land from other side and they start from
Take off here.
Yeah.
I'm sure I've seen landing this side though.
I think it says it depends on the time of the year.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
We will see.
From October up till April, I think it says they start
Take off.
over the beach and then rest of the year the other way.
Ah, okay.
Something like that.